In this video, I'm going to talk you through the dummy clips area of the DJ Megaset Pro 3. The first thing I need to do is send the dummy clips area some audio, so I'm going to open up the deck strip of deck 1. I'm going to locate the dummy dial down the bottom center here, and I'm going to bring this up to its maximum value. You can see audio now coming through the dummy injector. I'm also going to bring the gain down to its minimum value, and you'll see the dry signal has completely gone. If I scroll to the right, to the dummy clips, you'll see we have 16 individual audio tracks, all with levels. The dummy clips area works by having these 16 tracks, each one with its own particular effect. Each track feeds into the next one, so this beat repeat feeds its audio into the EQ feeds its audio into the gate, to the Redux, to the filter, and so on. Because each track has its own individual effect, we can use these clips to trigger automations or parameter changes. For example, let's look at the Redux track. You'll see that at the moment nothing is playing and the Redux is off. But if I click on one of these clips here, let's try Slight. You'll see the Redux is now turned on and we have a down sample. I can change this to something more noticeable. Let's go back to none. Let's try another one. Here's a short reverb, medium, long, sucking. Let's add a flanger to that. Maybe a frequency shifter. Let's scroll across, see what else we have. Maybe a time delay. And let's put a beat sync delay as well. Now let's play with that Redux again. I'm now going to trigger the group play button here to turn them all off. So you can see by using a mix of all of these individual clips across these 16 tracks, you can get some wild combinations. It's really good fun for playing live. I personally like to use an Ovation Launchpad like this one here. Anything with an 8x8 grid, or even better, a 16x8 grid, because you can simply move across by using these arrows. You can see in the session view we're moving across as well, and you can just choose ones and play randomly. And that's the dummy clips area of the DJ Megaset Pro 3.